Hi, I am Daniela, and today I will be talking to you a little about my family reunions and my next vacations. So, I have a small family. My family and I rarely get together, but when we do get together, it is usually when one of the members of our family meets for their birthday. We usually go out to eat together at a very nice restaurant or we go to dinner, farm, and we spend a couple of days together. Some take care of the food, others take care of arranging the space in which we will be. Each one always has their assigned task in these matters. We also usually meet at the December parties and eat food very delicious at Easter. We almost always go to my paternal grandparents' house since they have a very large house in which we spend special holidays. The whole family gets together and we usually make a lot of food. We dance a lot. Um, also drink a lot of alcohol. Moments that will always remain in our memories. Yes, very much. Okay, so next picture of my family. So, okay, wait. Our next family reunion will be in San Andres Islands. We plan to go there on vacation in December. We will be there for about 10 days if God allows it, of course, depending on whether all the cars will be there. We, we will see if we will all go by land or some will go by plane. Mm, we will stay at the house of a friend of my father who has known for many years and who invites us, but we had never had the opportunity to go until this year. I hope we do a lot of activities. I want to swim a lot. My dad and I love water, so any activity that involves water, I will be happy. We will visit the neighboring towns. We will take many photos. I love the photos. We will eat the typical meals and we will talk with the inhabitants of the island about the customs they have. Mm, it will be an uncomfortable trip. Next picture. And finally, thank you very much for listening to me about my family reunions. Bye.